2024 Toyota Tundra. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.